In the rapidly evolving digital era, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence opened up exciting opportunities to make money online. Artificial intelligence offers transformative solutions across various domains, and harnessing its potential can pave the way for profitable ventures. Whether through developing artificial intelligence-based products, offering consulting services, or utilizing artificial intelligence for content creation and data analysis, entrepreneurs can tap into the immense potential of artificial intelligence to generate online income. With artificial intelligence revolutionizing industries and reshaping business operations, being at the forefront of this technological wave provides a competitive edge. By combining expertise in artificial intelligence with innovative strategies, individuals can explore lucrative avenues to make money online and thrive in the artificial intelligence-powered economy of today. Artificial intelligence-based product development. In today's digital landscape, artificial intelligence-based product development has emerged as a lucrative avenue to make money online. With the increasing demand for artificial intelligence-powered solutions, developing and selling artificial intelligence-based software applications, chatbots, or virtual assistants can be highly profitable. These products can cater to specific industries or provide solutions to common problems, offering value to businesses or individuals. Invest in research and development to create robust, user-friendly products that deliver tangible results. Promote your artificial intelligence products through online platforms, social media, and targeted marketing campaigns to reach potential customers. Offer free trials, demonstrations, or case studies to showcase the effectiveness of your solutions. Consider subscription models, licensing agreements, or direct sales to monetize your artificial intelligence products. Provide ongoing support, updates, and training to maintain customer satisfaction and build long-term relationships. Additionally, explore partnerships with businesses seeking to integrate artificial intelligence into their operations. Continuous innovation is essential in this rapidly evolving field. Stay updated with the latest advancements in artificial intelligence technologies and adapt your products accordingly. Engage with the artificial intelligence community, attend conferences, and participate in forums to network and collaborate with like-minded professionals. Artificial intelligence-driven content creation. In the ever-expanding digital landscape, artificial intelligence-driven content creation has emerged as a promising avenue to make money online. With artificial intelligence technologies evolving rapidly, entrepreneurs can leverage automated tools and algorithms to generate compelling content, streamline workflows, and enhance productivity. Artificial intelligence-powered content creation spans various areas, including automated article writing, video editing, social media management, and content curation. By utilizing these tools, individuals can create engaging and high-quality content at scale, catering to diverse audiences and platforms. To succeed in artificial intelligence-driven content creation, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest artificial intelligence technologies and tools. Experiment with different artificial intelligence content creation platforms, refine the generated content, and ensure it aligns with the desired tone and style. Quality control and human oversight are essential to maintain authenticity and uphold editorial standards. Marketing and networking play vital roles in attracting clients or building an audience. Showcase the benefits of artificial intelligence-driven content creation, share success stories, and demonstrate how artificial intelligence can optimize content strategy and engagement. Artificial intelligence consulting and services. Artificial intelligence consulting and services present a lucrative opportunity to make money online in the digital age. With businesses increasingly embracing artificial intelligence technologies, there is a growing demand for expertise in artificial intelligence implementation, strategy, and optimization. As an artificial intelligence consultant, you can offer valuable insights, guidance, and solutions to help businesses leverage artificial intelligence to their advantage. This could include assisting with data analysis, developing artificial intelligence strategies, recommending artificial intelligence tools, or providing training on artificial intelligence adoption. By positioning yourself as an artificial intelligence consultant and offering specialized services, you can attract clients, establish long-term relationships, and generate online income while contributing to the growth and success of businesses in the artificial intelligence-powered era. Artificial intelligence data analysis and insights. Artificial intelligence data analysis and insights offer a lucrative avenue to make money online in the digital era. With the abundance of data available, businesses seek professionals who can extract valuable insights and provide data-driven solutions. Leveraging artificial intelligence algorithms and machine learning techniques, you can offer data analysis services, predictive modeling, customer behavior analysis, or market trend forecasting. By providing actionable insights, businesses can make informed decisions and optimize their strategies. Whether through consulting services, specialized software, or subscription-based models, capitalizing on artificial intelligence data analysis and insights can help you generate online income while empowering businesses to harness the power of data for success. Artificial intelligence affiliate marketing. Artificial intelligence affiliate marketing is a dynamic and innovative approach to make money online in today's digital landscape. By combining the power of artificial intelligence and affiliate marketing, entrepreneurs can optimize their affiliate campaigns, drive targeted traffic, and increase conversions. Artificial intelligence algorithms and tools can help identify and analyze patterns, trends, and consumer behavior to enhance affiliate marketing strategies. These technologies enable precise audience targeting, personalized recommendations, and automated ad optimization, resulting in higher click-through rates and improved conversion rates. Furthermore, artificial intelligence can facilitate predictive modeling, allowing affiliate marketers to forecast market trends, identify emerging niches, and make data-driven decisions. By harnessing artificial intelligence in affiliate marketing, entrepreneurs can drive targeted traffic to their affiliate offers, increase their commissions, and streamline their marketing efforts. Stay up to date with the latest artificial intelligence technologies, experiment with different tools, and continuously optimize your strategies to stay competitive in this evolving digital landscape. I hope you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching.